to love, but I never thought that I would say this. Never knew what love was, but I can see that it's dangerous. The things I'm willing to do for you.
What's up, guys? We're back again with another video. I have to do this intro really fast because I don't want him to come back here and catch me. But as you see, it's just me here. I'm gonna be doing a prank on my husband that I what's it called? Not lost my engagement ring. What the heck? I'm having a brain fart. Freeze. Hold on. Pause. Like sucked down the drain. Prank. Like I'm gonna pretend that like I turned the garbage disposal on and my ring was down there and it got stuck in there, just to get his reaction. And we're just gonna see what he says. He gets mad when I don't wear my ring or whatever, and he always telling me that, like, you know, your ring costs a lot of money, blah 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 blah, keep up with it, blah 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 blah. So we're just gonna get his reaction, see what he says.
Ahmad. Why are you trying to grab my phone, man? Get out of here. Where you going? What's today? 8:16? You got 8:80.
Oh my god.
Makeup?
Babe!
You broke something?
No, my ring! When did the slipped out my hand? I told you it's too big.
How you turn it on after it fell in?
I didn't know it slipped off. It fell in the bottom.
Can I call you back, please?
I was trying to wash the spoons and the forks. Can you help me, please? Please. I told you it was too big.
No, I tell you, make sure there's nothing in there before you hit that switch.
How was I supposed to know it slipped off in there?
Stick your hand in there and check. I don't know what the f it is.
What am I supposed to do? Can you open the thing on the bottom? Give me another one.
You really just lost your ring up?
Do you see it on my hand?
Please tell me you playing a prank on me. Where you dead ass right now?
I told you it was too big. How are you gonna get mad at me? I told you it was too big for me.
You should have checked the drain before you turned on the garbage disposal. You're supposed to check the drain before you turn on the garbage disposal. I can't get it.
What am I supposed to do? Raya. Can we go look at Norm?
No.
No. What am I supposed to do?
I don't know. Excuse me.
You gotta probably open the thing in the bottom.
I don't know. Get the people.
Babe.
What? That shit just really got me tight. I'm not gonna front. You really just blew my shit. I'm not gonna lie. I'm actually really upset. What? Wait, I'm smiling right now because I want to fucking punch you in the face. That wasn't funny.
You want to punch me?
Yes, I want to fucking punch you in the face. I'm so
You're
mad.
making me laugh, but I'm not trying to
laugh. I'm not trying to laugh. That shit just got me tight, bro.
Hey, bro, I need
Not funny. I don't even know what the fuck you did. That shit was not funny. Can you please tell me that you're joking? That ring was not
it wasn't. I'm sorry, but I did tell you it was too big.
Why didn't you
So
check?
why
didn't you check the
Because I thought it was a fork. I was washing the spoons and forks, baby.
Get the fuck off me.
I need another one.
No, you ain't getting nothing. You going ringless.
Ringless?
Yes. I'm about to cry.
Why?
No, get out of here.
Babe.
Get off of me, man.
I need another ring. How people gonna know I'm married?
You gotta use your mouth. I'll tell the people to come here tomorrow. Yo.
You say you're gonna tell the people to come tomorrow to open it?
Yes.
What if it's not in there? What if it broke into pieces?
Yeah, I doubt it, bro, but it's definitely scratched up.
Are you gonna fix the diamonds? You gonna fix it?
Yeah, but you're not getting it back.
So why would you fix it if I'm not getting it back? He's so pissed off. I think we're gonna tell him it's a prank and get my ring.
I don't have anything to say right now.
Why not? Don't act like
I'm not
that.
acting like anything.
What's up, guys? Ahmad has an attitude.
Because you're stupid.
I was just pranking you, babe. It was a prank. Look,
So where's your ring at?
it's right here.
So what was that was in the dream?
A fork.
Don't do that shit. Don't do that again.
I had to start the pranks because you take it way too long to start these pranks. Mommy, we got him. Give me a high five. Yay! We got daddy because he's stupid.
Don't high five that. Don't high five.
Guys, my prank was finally successful. Every time I record an intro to do... Look at my hair. Every time I record an intro to do a prank, it always gets ruined because he always catches me in the middle of the prank. But this time, it finally, like...
I still have nothing to say. Turn the camera off.
Okay, I have my ring right here. I would never... Oh my God, don't mind my nails. I would never... ever lose it, even though it is too big, and I did tell him it's too big and it needs to get resized to smaller because it does slip off my finger very easily. But yeah, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you guys for watching.